How to change graphic on Warface. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change graphic on Warface. Changing graphics on Warface is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Warface and log in. Launch the game and log into your account if required. Go to the setting menu. From the main menu, look for the setting or option menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Select the graphics or video setting. Navigate to the graphic or video tab within the setting menu. This section which contains various graphics options you can adjust. Adjust graphic setting. You can modify several graphic settings such as resolution. Set the game's display resolution to match your monitor or device. Quality. Adjust overall graphic quality, for example low, medium, high, ultra, etc. Apply and save changes. After making your desired adjustment, click on apply or save to confirm the changes. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.